Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today we have to find out the values of x and y provided they have given certain prerequisites and we have to use them to reach up to the values of x and y. These are the two variables sticking to the powers of 7 here. Correct? So 7 to the power x minus y is equal to 49 and here 7 to the power x plus y equals to 343. So solution, we bring down the first one and we know that 49 is nothing but 7 square. Correct? So in this what do we learn is that 7 is the base and which is similar, which means that we can equally equate the powers. Okay. Now what do we say here? Because the bases are same, we can equate the powers, which means we can write as x minus y equals to this power. Now let us take this to be our first equation. In the same manner, we bring this down and treat it the same. So we have 7 to the power x plus y equals to 343. Now we know that 7 to the power x plus y equals to 7 cube. Isn't it? 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7 will give us 343. Correct? So even in this case what we find is that the bases are same and thus we can equate the powers x plus y equals to 3. So we write x plus y equals to 3. Now this happens to be our second equation. Alright guys. So having got these, now we know that there are two equations for us to deal with. So if we were to write x minus y equals to 2 and x plus y equals to 3. If we add both these equations, can we not cancel minus y with plus y? So our statement should go is that adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get 2x equals to 5, which means our x is 5 by 2, which is 2.5, but we'll stick to 5 by 2. Now what next? Obviously we have to look for the value of y and we can use one of these equations for our help. So let's take x plus y equals to 3. So taking equation 2, we have x is equal to 5 by 2, isn't it? And plus y equals to 3. So therefore y is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. We know it is 2.5, which means our answer should be half. 3 minus 2.5 is 1 by 2. Hence we have sought the values of x equals to how much? We got 5 by 2 and y equals to half. So this was quite a simple sum, which you can easily do it I know that. Okay. So these are the two answers we were looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.